Hello everyone, this is Dion. Welcome back to GABWIRE. In this video I'll show you a 5-second hacks, 5-second tricks. Let's get into it. Our first tricks is on Facebook. Do you wonder why your pictures get blurred sometimes on Facebook? Do you notice your picture quality when you're uploading onto Facebook? So let's see how can you improve your picture and video quality on Facebook. Let's just open the Facebook app. Go to this 3-dot menu, then go to your settings and privacy, then go to your settings, then scroll down and you will see option media and context. Click here. Now you wonder why your picture quality is standard, not in high definition. So let's just turn on these two features. You are done. So let's move into the second tips. Our second tips is bold on Facebook. How can you bold your text on Facebook? You have often seen many people comment bold on their text in YouTube comment. How can you do that? Let me show you. Go to YouTube. You can do this on same way on your mobile phone. Let's just comment on a random video. See, just put a star mark and type your text and close your star mark. When you want to close the text you want bold, just comment it. As you can see, it is bold. You can see. So in this way you can also make your text italic, or you can apply any style on your text. Let's get into the third tricks. This trick is when you are stuck in a video in an app, they're just popping this loading icon. Let's see how can you get rid of it. So very simple, huh? If you didn't know it before, then this video deserves a like, isn't it? Moving on to the fourth trick. How can you reduce your startup time? By disabling your startup softwares. I mean, you can disable the startup software which software run when your computer boots up. You can see these softwares by just pressing Ctrl Shift ESC all together. I mean your task manager. Then just click on this startup tab and you can see it's disabled. You can only enable the Microsoft or the Windows software, as I have enabled the Windows security notification and the Realtek. As you wish, you will see a huge impact on your startup. If it works, give this video a thumbs up. Moving on to the number 5. So the number 5 is my favorite. This is just boost up my speed. This is all about keyboard shortcuts. There are enormous keyboard shortcuts. You need to read a full book on it. I'll share you some. The most favorite one is if I want to rename any kind of file, just press F2 on your keyboard. That just pops up the rename options and just enter when you are done. And if you want to undo anything, you just did. Let me show you. If I just F2 rename this into UI or into GW, enter. If I don't want to make this change happen, then just simply hit Ctrl Z. Boom, you're done. How can you redo it? The most important thing, when you are working on Adobe stuffs like Photoshop, Illustrator, just press Ctrl Shift Z. If you want to redo this, just click on here, redo, rename. As you can see, this just changed back to what I changed. Ctrl Z, So that's it. I'll give you a link in the description to show you how much you can do with your keyboard shortcuts. Number 6. This is a physical method. When you can't do anything with your computer, or your computer just went into a hell, how could you stop it without unplugging your power cables? Just hold down your CPU's power button for 5 seconds. Your computer will be forced shut down. Let's see. Moving on to 7. So this is called drop files to upload. You may wonder, how could you upload your files when your select files button doesn't work? What can you do when this button doesn't work, or what can you do when you need to work fast? So if you want to open any kind of file into any kind of application, just hold left key onto the file and drag that file into any kind of your applications. So as you can see, moving into number 8, it's called high performance. How could you turn on your computer into high performance mode? Let me show you that. Go to your startup icon, search for sleep. You can also go to your settings. Just go to your settings, then on the system you will find power and sleep. Click here, click on additional power settings. Here, as you can see, high performance section will be below under this arrow section. Just click on here and just select your high performance. You will notice a huge impact on your system. Moving on to 8. Sometimes we need to turn off our internet connection. How do you do that when you need to turn off your internet connection only for your PC? Most of the peoples, you don't know how to turn off your internet connection only for your computer. What you do? Just turning off your Wi-Fi. No, that's not the right way. You can just click on the internet icon, just right click on it, open network and internet settings. As you can see, then just click here, change adapter options, right click on your Ethernet, click on disable. So our internet is now disabled. There will be no internet. As you can see, there is no internet. The last one, it's a screenshot. How do you guys take a screenshot on your computer? Just let me know in the comment section. Here is the way how I take my screenshot. Just go to any of your browser, search for Lightshot. There's the software I recommend or I use for all time. Just download for your Windows or Mac, save it. Just go to your Windows icon, search for Lightshot, open the application, boom, you are done. Now every time you want to take a screenshot, just press your print screen button on your keyboard, boom, you are done. As you can see, you can take any part of your screen as a screenshot. You can also take the whole screen for the screenshot. Just press Ctrl A for the whole screen. You can also mark anything if you need to mark anything. You can also put any arrow if you need. So thank you guys, hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If this video just helped you a little bit, then consider subscribing the channel. If you find any kind of difficulties, just let me know in the comment section. So thank you, have a nice day.